Hello dear students, today we are going to learn active and passive voice in a very easy manner. So how to identify active and passive voice in one blink? Let's learn in an interesting way. Consider active as planet Earth and passive as planet Mars. So, on planet Mars, we three will work as oxygen cylinders. So, you have to behave like a cop, and your mission is to search helping verb and verbs. So, let's start with simple present tense. In simple present tense, your eye should be on helping verb. Helping verb is V1 plus S and ES and V1 in plural form. So, on planet Mars, we have to search S plus V3 and R plus V3. So, that's really very simple to identify passive form. This will help you in converting active voice to passive voice. Let's talk about present continuous tense. Is MR plus V1 plus ing. We have to just see, and on planet Mars it will become is being, am being and are being. So being, you have to just keep being in your mind, and you can easily identify passive form of present continuous tense. Now let's see present perfect tense. Here has have plus V3 on planet Earth means in tenses you can see has have plus V3, and on planet Mars you can easily identify it as has been, have been plus V3. It's very easy to identify Mr. Bean, B-E-E-N is here. Very good cops, don't lose your focus. Mission is to search helping verb and verb. Let's learn simple past tense. Simple past structural formula is subject plus V2 plus object. Now on planet Mars, you have to find was plus V3 and verb plus V3. Only then you can search passive voice sentences. So it's very easy, don't lose your focus. Let's continue with past continuous tense. Subject plus was verb plus V1 plus ing plus object. So now on planet Mars, what it will become? In continuous tense, I told you that Miss Being will be there. So was being and were being, right? Now past perfect tense. Had plus V3. Okay. So had plus V3 will become had been plus V3. So again we can meet Mr. Bean, right? Isn't it easy to identify passive form? Now let's continue with simple future tense. Here our target is will plus V1. So it will become will be plus V3. Okay. Whenever we convert active voice to passive voice, it will become will be. Now future perfect. In future perfect, will have plus V3 will become will have been plus V3. So again in perfect tenses, Mr. Bean will be there on planet Mars. Okay, so will have been. And one interesting fact which I want to tell you, that there will be no change in future continuous and perfect continuous tenses. So no transformation, no changes will be there. Important thing you have to keep in mind is that whenever we convert active voice to passive voice, subject will become object and object will become subject. So many other things are also there, like by. By is one of the identification, but it will not always work. So always keep that thing in mind. So many other rules are also there, but I have tried to cover the most easiest way to identify active voice sentences and passive voice sentences. Hope I have succeeded and you have understood all the logics how to identify active voice and passive voice sentences. Dear students, let's check what you have learned so far. Here is a quiz for you. You can pause the video and just note down all the questions and mention all the answers in comment box. Okay, and do mention your section. Here are 10 questions for you so that you can get an idea of active and passive voice questionnaire. Okay, so that's all for today. God bless you all. Take care. All the best for your exams.